everyone, today I'm doing a magic trick. So this is apple and clove. So guys, I'm hiding the apple somewhere. Well, it will be somewhere on my dress. It's not my pants. It's, did you see? Over here. I have to take it off. It's not a magic trick. I'm so sorry, I don't know how to do it. The magic trick is so hard. My magic trick is like this. Look. I eat 1. I eat 2. I eat 3. I eat 4. I eat 5. Haha, just kidding, it's just my hand. Alright. I got an apple. Think it's gonna break, it's gonna break. I'm scared it's gonna break. It's not breaking! Thank you, Apple. You're the best magic trick ever. Look at apple and bubblegum. Look. It's a slide. Look. Wait. Did you see it sliding? Whoa. Wait. Did you see it moves a little? Oh my god. Oh. Let's see how apple rolls it. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Whoa. Back the apple. Yum. So guys, I'm really tired today because I went outside for a while. So guys, I got a special book. It was a magic. I'm so magical. It says Holy Bubble. People. It says Holy People. So this is a magic book. Yes, some. So this is a magical to Lippin Island. Guys. Bye-bye. Guys, I was in the island. It's so bad. It's like scary pigeon is gonna kill me. Ouch. Ah, my leg hurts. So, excuse me guys, sorry. Thanks for watching our videos. Oh my God. Thanks for watching our videos. Keep subscribe and thumbs up. Bye-bye. I'm gonna make a video. Yeah, I make a video today. So I'm gonna put this book away. I'm too scared it's gonna take me in the island. So guys, bye-bye.